Hey everybody, it's me, Chasey Poo. Today I have an unboxing from a new company that I found in Europe. Also apologize for my face right now. I literally just woke up but I got this box in the mail and I'm like, I want to open it but I needed to film an unboxing video, so like I look like shit, but I need to film this right now. Also, I did just get my booster and my flu shot at the same time 2 days ago, so I'm still recovering from that. But this company is called Your Rules Prosthetics. This is what the package looks like. It's just this little box here. I will tell you that on the declaration form, because people are always like wondering what it says, just does it say like a dick or anything like that? It says silicone product sample, and then it tells you what it is, like just the price of it. So it doesn't actually say like Packer or STP or anything like that. So let's open this up and see what we have inside, because I have no idea what they sent me. All right, the first thing I see are these like packing peanuts. Okay. Ooh, there's some stuff in here. All right, so I see that we have a little pamphlet that kind of explains what Your Rules Prosthetics is. With passion, we make prosthesis with realism in looks and feel. Your Rules Prosthetic is a trans-owned company. We know our bodies best. That is why our products are made by and for our community. We value your safety and only work with high-quality medical-grade silicone. And then it kind of just explains everything, so I'm not going to go into that, but okay, that's cool. It looks pretty cool. So it looks like I have 3 prosthetics in here. So let's go with this one. What I do in these unboxings is I kind of unbox it and show my reaction, my initial reaction, and then you guys get to ask questions in the comments below so that when I do the actual review for the products, I can answer all of your questions. So it looks like the first one is, it says PSO2M. I'll try to figure out what that means, but let's just call this number 1. So let's open it up. Ooh. Ooh, we love a super squishy. All right, let's bring that up right over here. This is what it looks like. Realistic veins, balls. It looks really good. Oh, we love an uncut. And look at this. Oh, I feel like this is going to be a fantastic packer. So this is number 1. Ask your questions in the comments below so that I can answer them in the review. But initially, smells regular and it feels the same. It's the same kind of like material in and out throughout the whole thing. It's very impressive, and also it does move to the side, which is also like a realistic thing. So this is number 1, PSS01D. Let's go with number 2. Oh my god, this is even more squishy. What? Okay, I'm really impressed so far. All right, this is what this one looks like. It's smaller than the first one, just to give you a little comparison. It is smaller. And it is squishier, so that means that it is a little tacky, all right, which means it's a little bit sticky. Usually just add a little cornstarch to that and it does help to make it less sticky. Also, if you have this color one, some people do cornstarch with a little bit of cocoa powder so that it kind of retains the color, because the whole point is to have a color that matches your skin tone. Anyways, super squishy. Oh, I can't wait to pack with these and like test these out and review them. So if you have any questions about number 2, please in the comments below. Oh, yeah. The next one is PA03L. Let's call this number 3. Ooh, yeah, that looks really good. So it has this tab here, I'm guessing as an adhesive tab. You can put an adhesive sheet or an adhesive material that adheres to you and your body so that you don't have to wear a packing harness, or just, you could actually just put this in underwear, honestly, if you wear briefs or boxer briefs, nothing too loose. This is also super squishy, as in the first one. It's not like the second one. And it feels really good. Movable testicles inside, you can see that, there's in there, which is really great. And silicone is pretty soft. It's not the softest, but it feels very good. And this is what it looks like. So that's very cool. I'm very impressed by these, and I can't wait to try these out. So this is number 3. Please ask your questions. I feel like the questions are going to be the same because these are all packers. I didn't know if they were sending like STPs or prosthetics for sex, so that's why I numbered them, but they seem pretty much very similar. They're like packers and things like that. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I can also compare them to other products, but yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I'm very excited. Like, this is very cool, and I'm glad that they expanded, because I contacted contacted them a while ago and they were like, oh, we're only doing Europe, but then they finally decided to do North America, which I'm happy about because it's good to have like different types of prosthetics, especially trans-owned company, and these are pretty high quality. I think these are more on the expensive side, just so you know, and I will give you all the prices and everything in the review videos, just because I didn't even know what I was gonna get today. So, all right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Your Rules Prosthetics, for sending me this. I'm very excited. Like, this is very good quality. You can tell that it's like cut properly. There's no like defaults or defects on any of these. Like, they look really professionally made, which is very impressive. All right, I will see you later. Have a great day.